Hey, how's it going? So basically, look, you see, this is what I was complaining when I was doing job interviews, right? Because this HackerRank or whatever, the IDE in here can be buggy, can be buggy. I had it in a couple of tests, right? Because look, these are the strings that are, it's saying it's wrong. It doesn't work, right? Expected output, you see, right? So let's look at CV iPad should output iPad. All right. So if we go into my code, let's see what it outputs, right? You see? Correct, right? iPad, right? So that's what they wanted. They wanted iPad, and it actually I'm going to move this in here because we can control it like this. And then we're gonna move HackerRank in here then, right? Like this. Yeah. Okay, so it should output iPad, right? It outputs iPad. Okay. Next one, Mousepad, right? So we're gonna input the string and see what the output is. You see mousepad. Correct, right? You see? That's the string. I copy and paste it, and it works, right? Let's go with the next one. Next one is code swarm. All right, so let's do the code swarm. Let's see what it outputs. So that's the code swarm, right? That's what they want. Because I copy and paste it, right? What does it output? What do they want? They want code swarm, camel case both, code swarm, camel case both. You see? And then finally, orange highlighter. There it is. I'm even going to copy and paste, right? There you go. Okay. What does it output? They want both small case and split. Both small case and split. Do you know what I'm saying? Now, the cool thing is that I'm not the only one who's with this problem. Look, you see, everyone is complaining. Everyone. Replace line 13 with this here. Yeah, but I mean, at the end of the day, who gives a shit? You know what I'm saying? Like, it works. Like, the solution works. So they are saying that I need to do line 13 in here. Uh, so we need to reset the code probably, right? So he's saying that this should work. Okay, let me try. Honestly, I don't give a shit. I'll try it, but I mean, at the end of the day, who gives a damn, right? Because my solution works anyway. Okay, let's put this in here. Maybe it will work. At the end of the day, like, the problem is on their side, right? Yeah, it's still an error. Anyway, it doesn't matter. What I'm saying is, like, clearly there's an issue, right? And I'm saying that on job interviews, sometimes that's the issue because you try to console log something and it doesn't accept it. Do you know what I mean? I ran into that problem one time. So I was like, what? All right. Just FYI, take care. Bye bye.